Hair transplant centers hair transplant नहीं करते. It's the doctor who does the hair transplant. My name is Dr. Aneel and I have been doing hair transplant for more than 13 years at Aneel's clinic. There is no proper recognized degree of hair transplant. Any doctor who is trained properly in hair transplant should be able to do it. He just needs to be registered with the local body, HRSP, and the international forum, International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons. I am one of the very few people who have had a structured training of hair transplant. That means that I did not learn it from either YouTube or a quack. If there is anything wrong with your hair, you need to come and consult me. उस कंसल्टेशन के दौरान मैं आपके तमाम बालों से मुताल्लिक मसलों का हल आपको बता सकूंगा. क्या आपको किसी दवाई की ज़रूरत है, क्या आपको PRP की ज़रूरत है, या आपको ट्रांसप्लांट चाहिए. कंसल्टेशन मैं हमेशा ख़ुद करता हूँ और फ़ैसला हमेशा मैं ख़ुद करता हूँ कि आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मुनासिब है. Let's talk about the complications of hair transplant. I know you're worried about pain, but surely you will not have any pain with me because I am good with local anesthesia, and I do think that the hair transplant should be completely painless. If we talk about infection, I am always using everything which is disposable, and I always test you before getting you into my theater so that you don't give the infection to any other patient. As far as the procedure of hair transplant is concerned, there are two ways of taking the hair out, which is FUE and FUT. It is I who will decide and advise you what is better for you. I will surely take your opinion into it, but the final decision should be the surgeon's. That is mine. I do not have any bias towards any of the procedure. What I have a concern is that I may not be around for 10 to 20 years, but I want my transplant to look good on you for a much longer time.